So how do you screen mirror your iPad in a 4K? Let me talk about it. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss explanation videos like this one. Anyways, it depends on where you want to stream it or screen mirror it, right? Because usually you want to do it to a TV. It heavily depends on your TV model, right? But if you have the actual Apple TV box, you want to make sure that it's the 4K version because, there are also some different like Apple TVs in which you could also like connect and screen mirror your iPad to, but that would simply not support the 4K, right? So it kind of depends on that, right? If you want to put it on TV, then your TV is supposed to have the feature supported, and AirPlay should get the best quality, available on the actual TV screen. But you can also just want to screen mirror your iPad to a computer. For example, if you have a Mac, you can as well just connect your iPad through a cable, the USB cable. You literally plug it into your computer, and when you go to the QuickTime player, you have the ability to start a new movie recording, and from the devices, you are basically going to select the iPad screen, right? So you can see that the iPad screen is connected and is going to show you in the best possible quality, right? So you will be able to export that once you capture it in the available resolution. And if 4K is available, you basically just want to export it in 4K so you get the best quality from the screen mirroring available. So as I said, it kind of depends on your situation. Personally, I use it on my computer and just capture it right here. So yeah, let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming videos and similar guides like this, and I'll catch you later.